Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's bathroom remodel, the homeowners opted to get rid of their large soaker tub to create more space in the bathroom. With that space, we added a larger tiled shower and a linen cabinet for more storage. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Here is what the bathroom looks like before demo. Everything has been removed from the bathroom. The plumbing rough-in has occurred, as well as the framing for the new shower. We are now patching and repairing the drywall. We are now preparing for the shower tile to be installed, and preparing for the floor tile installation as well, which will happen simultaneously. For the shower walls, we installed Dow Tile Exquisite Ivory 12x18 tile with a 6-inch band of Dow Tile Exquisite Chantilly 2x4 mosaic. For the bathroom floor, we installed Dow Tile Exquisite Ivory 12x12 tiles. For the vanity, we installed Waypoint 650F Maple Espresso cabinets with a quartz Cambria countertop in Pende Hill. We also installed a linen cabinet and shelving for extra storage. The plumbing fixtures are the Moen Voss collection in brushed nickel. Here is the completed bathroom. Removing the soaking tub made the bathroom appear much larger. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this transformation. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe for more.